because I now have very high confidence that after seeing 2 days fail at that same level, which was also that previous low that we talked about, I can now just say, hey, if it gets back above 950, I'm going to have to accept my loss. That's a pretty incredible, rip back over that very clear rejection point that is shown. Same thing with my strategy, same thing with everything I'm looking for with the break and retest on a larger time frame. We can see that very clearly. We're going to go ahead and target that low, which from that point was around a 30-point move on Netflix. So if we go back to TradeZilla, we can see, if we can go to my executions, I'll go ahead and now zoom in on this. On my executions, I entered that around 228 and 255 on April 3rd. You can see I was entering near that after that rejection came in, which is what we just looked at, right? Entering on that trade and then holding that overnight. Overnight, we get a beautiful move to the downside on Netflix, and you can see I'm just scaling out of that trade as we get that morning to the downside. So pretty much the same thing. Obviously, a big example and a swing trade, which is a little different than what we talked about on those really short-term action. But if we go back to that 4-hour chart, we can...
Execution, everything was identical.
Right. Execution identical. And we can also see the importance of understanding our levels, right? Because that's really it. It's garbage in, garbage out. When you have poor levels, you're trading off of pretty much nothing. You're trading off of noise. You need to make sure that what you're trading off of is a key inflection point on the market or on your stock. Right. And so we can very clearly see, look at this, 950 on Netflix. This is a 4-hour chart. Right? It's not just a 2-minute chart.
Exactly.
Major lows, 950 on Netflix. Failing under it, retesting it right here, rejecting it,